Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything, where we create, inspire, and grow.
Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be working on this little end table nightstand that I picked up off Marketplace. I chose like a fuchsia pink color. It took me, I'd say, like 3 coats to fully get the full coverage on this end table. The color is just really nice, as you can see. And then I'm just working on the drawers. I'm gonna spray the hardware. I sprayed it gold. I had to tape it. For some reason they had glued and I don't know, the screws inside the drawers, but anyways, I sprayed the hardware gold and it looks nice on that pink. This is the next project. It is a smaller dresser that I picked up for free. It looks pretty cool, like the flowers and the detail that they had on there, but you know me, I had to change it. So started with the first coat of black and the second coat with the gold hardware, and that's it. I hope you like this video. Thanks, bye.
Subscribe, like, and share.